drive, guys. I'm rear wheel drive with no traction, innit? We are going to Gas Gang's first link up. If you guys don't know what Gas Gang is, it's officially gas membership. So you pay like £5.45 or something like that every month, and you get exclusive offers to go and chill with officially gas and loads of other stuff. So check it out. But yeah, we're going to the meet now. Should be good. Bring you guys along, you know.
Nice drive, man.
So yeah, we're with all these four-wheel drive guys. I'm rear-wheel drive with no traction, innit? It's hella sketchy. Hella sketchy, but I love it. 1800 horsepower, something crazy like that. ES motors. This car's no joke, you know. Have a look at the back quickly, innit? That's mad. That's mad. Big power, man. And Jamie's one as well. With the R8 as well. This is James's car. Bare carbon on this R8. You had to pick one, Bash? No. If you had to pick one car? S15, bro. Oh my guys! The beast. 600 horsepower V6, bi-turb, madness. 400,000 miles. This engine's been in loads of cars. Yeah, he just takes it out and puts it in other cars. The locals. Never slipping, how I'm grown. Think you man, then come and fight. In a haze, lost in a daze, but the players not even phased. Busters hating, hoes they fake. On my nuts, they just did wait. Out my mind from smoking fog. This GTR is actually lovely. Carbon fiber, it's like a satin purple. It's got the world's smallest number plate, I swear. Honestly, this is mad. Bro, the smallest number plate I've ever seen. Should we get one for the S15? Should we get one for the S15? Yeah, I like the new shape. The new shape GTRs are nice, man. Drop a comment down below if you like the colour of that Supra. Yeah, it was good turnout. Jamie done well. The weather's not on his side, but still come to represent. Gonna have a look around, see a few cars. I guess. Oh, that's sick. Got this nice G80 M3. As it come in, it was popping and banging like mad. I don't know why it's in the car park. It should be in the main bit. But it's nice. Really nice. Craziest Corvette as well. Got 305 tyre at the back, mad 4 exhaust coming out. By seeing this bonnet, yeah, it's probably indicating that the engine's too big, innit? Yeah, it must be either supercharged or massive turbo, I don't know, bro. That's some crazy looking car. And then this thing here, I've heard about these cars, innit? And apparently they are savage. It just looks different. I don't know if it's a special edition or they've done work to it. I think that's their Instagram as well. Fast R. Yeah, this is mad. Come on. Oh, here he is.
I only made it here because of the Geo on this car.
Come on.
In fact, I made it here 10 minutes quicker than I usually would have because of the Geo on the car.
Go ahead, check this, yeah? Oi! Come on.
GeoByLuke, baby. All your social media back.